Toobit just released an AI trading kit, and I genuinely think this is a game changer. You type a message, your AI executes the trade live on the market. No dashboard, no manual entries, just a conversation. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up step by step and how you can get up to $30 in free futures bonus just for signing up through my link down below. Let's get started. So Toobit just rolled out what they're calling the AI Agent Trade Kit. And honestly, this is by far the most exciting thing I've seen released on any exchange this year. Here's what it actually does. It connects AI tools like OpenClaw and Claude directly to your Toobit account. That means your AI agent can check prices, monitor your portfolio, and place real live trades, all from a simple text prompt. And I know what you might be thinking. Sounds cool, but is this actually useful? Let me show you. Just imagine you're watching the market and you just type, "What's the price of Bitcoin right now?" And your AI responds, "The current Bitcoin against USDT price is trading around $68,500 to $69,000. Then you can also say, "Buy 0.01 ETH at market price." And it responds, "Order filled, bought 0.01 ETH. That's it. No logging in on your exchange, no navigating menus over and over again, and no clicking confirm 3 times just to confirm your order. You just talk to it like a person, and it trades for you. Now, what makes this really interesting is that it runs locally on your machine. Your API key never leaves your device. Everything is signed locally. So you're not handing your credentials to some third-party service. That's a huge deal for security. On top of that, the whole thing is completely free and open source under the MIT license. So there's no subscription, no hidden cost. It's just a tool Toobit built and released for the community. By the way, if you don't have a Toobit account yet, now is actually a great time to sign up. Use the link in the description and you'll get a $30 futures bonus plus VIP status for 1 month, completely free, just for registering. I'll mention more bonuses later in the video too. So let me quickly break down what's inside this kit because it's actually pretty packed. There are 66 plus tools across 4 categories. Futures has 25 tools to manage your futures positions. Spot have 10 tools for spot trading. Market data got 21 tools that can pull real-time price and depth data, and account management, which has 10 tools to track your balance, P&L, and transaction history. And there are 2 main ways to use it, MCP server. This is what connects Claude, ChatGPT, and other AI chat models directly to Toobit. You have a conversation and the AI handles the trades. CLI, this is for the more technical people. You can run scripts and automate tasks directly from your terminal without ever opening a browser. Both are available and both are free. If you want to read the full specs, I'll link the docs in the description. Now, before we get into the setup, I know what some of you are thinking. How do I know this is actually safe? I'm giving an AI access to my exchange account. That's a fair question. So let me walk you through exactly why this is built differently. At first, everything runs locally on your machine. Your API key never gets sent to a server somewhere. All the request signing happens on your device. So there's no third party sitting in the middle holding your credentials. Second, you can set it to read-only mode. That means the agent can only pull market data and check your portfolio. It literally cannot place a trade. If you just want to test it out or use it for analysis only, that's an option. Third, every single action the agent takes gets logged. There's a local activity log of every tool call it makes, so you always have a clear record of what happened and when. Fourth, custom access. You choose exactly which features the agent can use. You're not just flipping one switch and giving it full control. You can toggle specific tools on or off depending on what you actually need. Fifth, permission matching. The tools the agent can access are automatically matched to whatever permissions your API key has. So if your key doesn't have futures permissions, the agent simply won't have access to futures tools. Unauthorized tools are never even exposed to it. And finally, the whole thing is open source under the MIT license. The code is fully auditable. Anyone can read it. There are no hidden dependencies, no black boxes, no third-party services running in the background. So yeah, for a tool this powerful, the security setup is actually really solid. All right, so let's get into the actual setup. First things first, you need a Toobit account. Click the link in the description below. You'll land on the Toobit page and you can sign up with your email in less than a minute. Set a strong password, verify your email, and you're in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard. Now, before we set up the API, I want to show you a smart way to do this using a sub account. This is actually how I recommend doing it because it keeps your main account protected. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right, then click on sub account. This way, you're only exposing what you want to the AI agent. Your main funds stay separate and protected. Click Create Sub Account. You can choose between a regular email or a virtual email. Get the verification code, set a strong password, and confirm. Your sub account is now ready. Now click on your profile icon again, and this time click on API Management. At the top right, click New API. Under the note field, give it a name, something like AI Agent Trading, so you know exactly what this key is for. For permissions, choose Read and Write. This is what allows the AI agent to actually place orders on your behalf. Now, if you want to just use this for analysis, just choose the read option only. You can enable spot, contracts, or both, depending on what markets you want the agent to trade. If you want full access, enable both. Now for IP settings, if you have a dedicated workspace and you're not planning to move around, I'd recommend selecting Allow Trusted IPs Only and entering your IP address. This is the most secure option. If you're not sure about your IP or you move around a lot, you can select Unrestricted. But just keep in mind, if you choose this, your API key will only be valid for 3 months, and then you'll need to create a new one. Once everything looks good, click Confirm. You'll now see your access key and secret key. Copy both of them carefully and store them somewhere offline, like a Notes app that's not connected to the internet, or write them down. This is important because the secret key is only shown once. If you lose it, you'll need to create a new API key. Just a reminder that once you start trading on Toobit, if you hit 50,000 USDT in futures volume, you'll get another 30 USDT in trial funds on top of your sign-up bonus. And if you deposit 5,000 USDT, you can get up to 750 USDT in trial funds. The link in the description has all of this unlocked automatically. All right, now the fun part. Open up Claude, OpenClaw, or whichever AI tool you're using. Give it this exact prompt. I want you to connect to my Toobit Exchange account using these API credentials. Once connected, check my account balance so I can confirm you have access. If everything is set up correctly, your AI will confirm it has access and show you your account balance. From that point on, you can just start giving it commands. For example, what's the price of Bitcoin right now? And it pulls live market data instantly. Buy 10 USDT worth of Bitcoin at market price. It will place the order immediately. Show me my open futures positions. And it will show you the position you have set a stop loss on my BTC position at $60,000. And it will be done. It's generally that simple. And because everything runs locally, your keys are never sent anywhere. The AI just uses them to sign requests on your machine. If you want to go deeper into the technical side, I will link the GitHub page for this kit. It has the full documentation and source code is all there. Now let me give you my honest take on this. Is this going to replace manual trading? No, not yet. You still need to know what you're doing. The AI executes what you tell it to. It doesn't make the decisions for you. So if you give it a bad instruction, it will follow through on that bad instruction. But what this does do really well is remove friction. If you're someone who already knows what trade you want to make, this just makes it faster. No more clicking through menus, no more switching tabs. You just say it and it's done. And for developers or more technical traders who want to build automated strategies, this is actually a really powerful foundation. The CLI and the modular architecture make it easy to build on top of. Overall, I think Toobit has done something genuinely interesting here. It's free, it's open source, it's secure, and it works. That's a rare combination. If you want to get started, the link is in the description below. Sign up through my link and you'll get that $30 futures bonus and 1 month of VIP for free. And if you really get into trading on Toobit, there's also up to 8,000 USDT in futures bonuses available once you hit higher trading volumes. All the details are in the description. And if you want to learn more about Toobit, OpenClaw, or Claude, check the video popping up on screen right now. I'll see you in the next one.